Hello, this is the last part of the worksheet that I gave you guys. So I'm going to work out number 11 through 14. So let's look at number 11. All right, so if you notice, the right side is 2 sine squared minus 1, and then the left side is sine squared minus cosine squared. So I believe I'm going to change cosine squared into, but you have to put it in parentheses, 1 minus sine squared, because the right side is only with sine. So then I'm going to distribute the negative 1, so I have sine squared theta minus 1 plus sine squared theta. Then I'm going to combine these two to get 2 sine squared theta minus 1. So I prove that identity. All right, number 12. All right, so there it goes again. My bad, you guys. Why does it do that? All right, so since my left side is only cosine, I'm going to change this into 1 minus cosine squared theta. So therefore, if I have 2 of these and I'm going to take away 1, it's going to be just one of them, but in my plus, it's going to come first, and then cosine squared theta. So you could have put cosine squared theta plus 1, and you still would have got the answer. All right, number 13. I believe you guys have seen this one before as well. All right, so let's look at tangent. So it's sine squared theta over cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta over 1. Well, you need common denominators. So I'm going to multiply this by cosine squared theta. Erase this. So now I have sine squared theta minus sine squared theta cosine squared theta all over cosine squared theta. I'm going to factor out a sine squared theta. So I have 1 minus cosine squared theta. Jeez Louise. Bear with me, you guys. Okay, so sine squared theta over cosine squared theta times 1 minus cosine squared theta. Well, I know this is tangent squared theta, and I know this is sine squared theta, which is exactly what I needed to prove. All right, last one. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. All right, so this is number 14. So I'm going to distribute. And then I'm going to leave sine theta plus sine theta times sine theta over cosine theta. Okay? So I have sine theta plus sine squared theta over cosine. Well, I know I need common denominators. So I'm going to multiply this by cosine theta over cosine theta. So I have cosine theta, sine theta, all over cosine theta, plus sine squared theta over cosine theta. Okay? So we need to get tangent. So let's see. Okay, got it. So I have cosine theta times tan theta, because this right here is tangent. So if I have two sines, I know this right here is tangent. So therefore, factor out a tangent. So tangent theta times cosine theta plus sine theta, even though it's not in the same exact order, but it's correct. So hope you guys paid attention and you followed through. Have a good day.